This skill we require. We require people understanding. We require to understand the people. We require to influence the people. We require to talk. We require to mingle with the people. That skill we require. That is the second rank came for this skill. Then Dale Carnegie identified. My people are having this problem. Even in the survey also. Okay, this shocking thing is, this is the thing. Okay, like that. Then immediately he had some interview. He said, Naveen, Naveen is commented something. Okay. In the newspaper, he saw some interview from the one of the richest person at that time in the US. One of the richest person in the US. What is his name? Is Rockefeller. JD Rockefeller. JD Rockefeller. This is one of the richest person in the US at those days, 1920s, 1912, 1915, like JD Rockefeller. He used one word. In the interview, someone asked him, if you are going to recruit a number of people, right? To recruit which type of people? I mean, for which type of people you are going to give the package like anything? I never going to worry about the money, but I require that resource. Which skills you require for such a type of person? Like this is the interview. This is the interview question asked for the US richest person in the 1912 or 1915. JD Rockefeller. Then that person told only one person. I want the person who is the expert in people management. Who is the expert in understanding the people? Okay, who can make the people to do whatever we require, Such type of person, I'm ready to pay. How much money he want? I can do that. This is the statement Rockefeller used. Naveen, have you remembered? We had a talk about this person, right? Rockefeller.
Yes.
Napoleon Hill. This person only provided funding to do research kind of thing for Think and Grow Rich series. Yes, Rockefeller. He is one of the richest person. Use the word people management is the very, very important. The person who is having the skill, for that person I can pay like anything. This is the thing he used the word. Then all these things got connected. All these things got connected to the Dale Carnegie. Then they searched for the books on this people management. Very unfortunate. No book is there. Very unfortunate. No book is there. No book is there on the people management at the time. Then he identified that this is the bigger gap. We require to utilize this gap. Okay, like he started writing the book. That is the big motivation for this man. Next up, how this book was written. This is the very, very important, man. Very important. He had already training institute there, right? So he has already training institute there. Huge number of students were there with him. All these are not college students or regular students. These people are working in different levels in the companies. They are working people. Some people are having their own businesses. Some people are having working people. Some people are at management level. Some people are in the entry level. Okay, like multiple people are there. Okay, like what he recruited some people, even some outsiders as an employee, he recruited. They did great research kind of thing. They studied autobiographies of hundreds of successful people. Next, they introduced multiple people. They read multiple series, multiple books. And slowly, they came up with small conclusions. Okay, what they did is, observe that. Almost around a huge number of people, they did research kind of thing. They came up with the small conclusions. Rare. Today, just appreciate heartfully your colleague. What will happen? Please let us know. Today, criticize your colleague. What will happen? Can you please let us know? Like they started analyzing, they started applying Okay, their students started applying in their offices all these things. They came up with sir, this is the thing happened, this is the thing happened, like they did research for 15 years, man. 15 years they did the research. At last, first they released, he took a small session, just a 5 minutes talk about how to win friends and influence people, Dale Carnegie. And then he gave the speech for 90 minutes. And then, so their team did the research for 15 years. And then with all those conclusions, yes, this book came into the picture. Today, what we are learning, thousands of people effort for years of time. Just in 2 months, I'm telling that. In 6 days, you are going to learn. To get those conclusions, they did almost 15 years they spent. They met multiple people in every topic. I'm going to explain minimum 10 examples, 15 examples. How much effort they took, okay, to tell those examples means, yeah, that their hard work we can see every day. Believe me, really, that much effort they took. That is the result what we are getting, what we are going to learn in these 45 or 60 days. So believe me, we are going to learn like anything, man. Anything in your home. Okay, your home will become a happy home. Your home will become a happy home for you if you understand the people, if you know how to handle, how to mingle with the people, how to influence the people. Okay, like I want to be best speaker. Yes, you will become, I'm sure. Sir, I want to be best friend. Yes, obviously you will become best friend. Sir, I want wonderful growth in my company. Yes, definitely. Definitely it's going to be happen. Because people management skill is the most valuable, most important skill in our day-to-day, every aspect. This concept must be required. In every aspect of our life, this role, the people management skill role is there.